Hello, it's the episode you've been waiting for, Discovering Denim. Let's top it off. Hello, everybody. I am so glad that you tuned in to today's episode. Today's episode is Discovering Denim. It is Let's Top It Off, where we have created a top, whether it be a jacket, a shirt, or whatever. I don't know what the other ladies did. It just had to be something for the top. And I have did this collaboration with So Lovely from Grace, Sort of Styled Lara, as well as Ausset from Ausset Stitch Treasures. So don't forget to go and check out their video. I can't wait to see what they made. So to start this video off, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how I started the beginning of this sewing project. All right, I'm outside looking at a hot mess. Sorry, I just wanted to show you guys in the light what I'm starting with. I am about to start my project for the Discovering Denim episode. And I just wanted to show you what I was using. So I have this, it has a belt. And I have this shirt that I thought was really, really cute. And I got this when I was doing that thrifted, and I got a lot of stuff for 50 cents each piece. But this is a small. But I got it anyway because I just love the colors in it. So what I'm going to do is upcycle this along with the denim that I have into a top. Now this denim is a bit heavier than the cotton of the shirt. So I will most likely use this. It's heavier, but it's thin. So I'll most likely use this for the top. So I just wanted to show you the vibrant colors in here before I get started, and I'm going to see what I come up with. When you're upcycling, it is a little, I don't know, you're kind of just going by what it is you feel. So I'm going to record a little bit as I make it or make my decision, but we'll see what I come up with. Okay, now that you see what I went through and how I was trying to put things together, Now I want to take the time to show you what I came up with. So I came up with this mashup of the two materials that I showed you, was that shirt and the denim fabric that I had. So I'm going to lower you so you can see what it is I came up with. This is my shirt that I came up with from marrying the two different types of fabrics together. I'm really excited, and I think it turns out to be really cute. I didn't have to make a opening because this is the opening from the shirt, the very colorful shirt that I had. This is the opening from that. So I just took that and I made that my collar. I did balloon the sleeves and I put a cuff at the bottom. And I did a little ruffle on the bottom. Very basic, very cute, just a pullover shirt. Um, I have some more of this fabric left. So I think in the future, I'm going to use the remainder of that and trim it maybe with the remainder of this and make a pair of shorts. But I didn't have time for that. I had a busy week. So all I got done was the shirt, but I'm very happy with it. It's cute. It's not too hot. Although the denim is a little heavier than the cotton, it's not too hot. It's a really nice shirt. So I'm very proud of it. I'm happy with what I came up with. Let's see. Let me show you the bottom. So here's the ruffle. I also made this come all the way down. I thought that was going to look better than actually closing this up, because I was going to have a pucker right here and I didn't like that. So I just put a piece to make it come all the way down. It gives me a little room to come out with, on those days we eat too much. But I'm really happy with it. I guess my favorite part of the shirt is the sleeve. I like this ballooning sleeve. It's really cute to me. And I like the cuff. I guess this is my new thing, along with a peplum. You know I love a peplum. This isn't really long, so I did initially have this longer, but it wasn't giving off a good vibe or a good look for me. So I think the alternative was making it short like this, and then using the material I have left from this denim to make a pair of shorts. And I think it'll be a really cute outfit, but that's something I'll probably save for a future day. But in all, I do like it. Turned out really nice. Did I use a pattern? No, I did not. I just did cutting and figuring it out on this one. So this was, the pattern, the sleeve just was, I just kind of made it a little bigger than, the sleeve that I did on my last project. So I just kind of remember the kind of shape that I cut out, and I didn't pull out the pattern pieces because, like I said, on the last project, I lost the instructions, but I did have the pattern pieces. But I didn't use the pattern pieces. I just kind of remember the shape and just made it with a little bit extra fabric, because I have a few pleats in there to help give it more of the balloon effect as well. And that's it. This was a great experience. It took me a couple of hours, maybe 3 hours, and the 3 hours came in where it's trying to decide how I was going to put everything together. So with that being said, I'm happy with my shirt. I hope you guys think it is cute as well. I can't wait until I make the matching shorts, because I think that'll be, like I said, a really cute outfit. The back is just plain, nothing fancy about the back. And on the side, I do have it going up the side. So lots of room in the shirt. Really, really like it. I hope that you guys take the time to go and check out Grace's channel over there, So Lovely with Grace, if you have not, as well as Ausset of Ausset's Treasures and Lara of Sewing of Style, to see what they made, because that's what I'm about to do right now. As always, guys, I want you to remember you are so special to me. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.